Rabbi Yisrael Atzadik, good morning. We just finished Shachris Mincha. Usually they do Mincha Ma'ariv, but now we did Shachris Mincha. And I wanted to show them what it looks like outside. So they say there is snow in New York as well, but there's a big difference because over there it's slushy, it's wet, it's icy, noisy. And what they get here, I want to show them. I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show them what you get here. You see this soft, stille. Listen to it. Look in this. Nicht kein Nivre. This is what you get in the Hakelaj.